All right. So, so we started with understanding Excel BI, how to enable the BI tools, and what is the BI framework, right? How to import the project data. So, how to transform the project data. So, we did import all our project files to Excel. We also completed most of the transformation now, right? We have only a few transformation steps pending that we are going to complete now. Okay, so then once we complete the transformation, we are going to build the one of the most important step in the entire BI framework, which is the data modeling. So this is one critical uh, uh, part of the process, the entire BI framework that you need to understand, right? So if you have any questions, if you have any confusion, please use the form to submit your detailed question, and I will definitely answer that in the next call. Okay, so we will start. We will learn what is data modeling. Okay, and then once we complete the data modeling topic, and then tomorrow, the next day, I mean, in the next session, uh, we will start the DAX topic, the most complex topic in the entire BI process. Okay, and then as we start learning DAX, we start implementing DAX for building various reports. Okay, so there are many topics to go. So let us get started. All right. So I hope you all of you can hear me well, and my screen is visible to all. Now I'm going to open the Power Query. So let's open the Power Query and then complete the remaining transformation steps. Yeah, so I'm just checking the chat. Okay, so what is DAX? DAX is basically a formula language that we use in Excel automation. It's a different language that we use to build formulas, KPIs, calculations, and all. Similar to Excel functions, but it's different from Excel functions. So we will learn that. Okay, so here we are. So we have the data transformation completed. So if you look at the process, if you look at the steps here, right side, we completed product transformation. We have product GST, broad category, GL, forecast base, chart of accounts, channel, dim date, OPEX budget. Okay, OPEX budget January to June, OPEX July to December. Now you learned um, the row transformation, column transformation, text transformation, number transformation, date transformation, how to split columns, how to join columns. So we did a lot of these, you know, till now, right? Next, what we are going to learn is merge and append. Now let us start with the merge. So